how's it going? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about fake tan, which is a comment that I get over and over and over again. What fake tan are you wearing? What fake tan do you use? Are you wearing fake tan? What is it? I get comments like that on my Instagram all the time. So I figured I should probably tell you what fake tan I use. I've basically used the same brand of fake tan consistently since I was like 13 years old, which is why I'm so excited to say that I'm partnering with them today on this video. I'm going to be showing you how I do my fake tan routine using St.Moriz products. I'm sure a lot of you guys have used and loved St.Moriz in your time. It is such a go-to for so many people. It's really affordable, really high quality, and looks super great. You guys know that I've been away with St.Moriz. I love St.Moriz, and I'm so happy that they want to work with me on this video. So they've recently launched their clear mousse tans, which I am obsessed with, mainly because I'm really unorganized and late for everything. You know, if I find out that I've got to do something that night or the next day or something like that, and you guys know what it's like booking in when you're gonna fake tan for an event. It can be a stressful ordeal because you've got to make sure that you've showered it off in time so it doesn't get on your clothes. These will be your best friend because they are clear. They don't have any guide color in them, so you just whack them on and that's it. It develops. And you can wear white and it doesn't transfer on your clothes, and it is genius. So the first one is the St.Moriz Gradual Tanning Mousse in medium. It says no mess, streak-free finish. So this one is the slightly lighter, more beginner version. You just apply this over your body and it will develop throughout the day to a light golden glow. So this is more like a gradual tan. You can probably build this up over a few days if you'd like. The one that I use is the Develop one, which is in medium dark. This also is streak free, etc. But this one you will apply and then it will develop over a 10-hour period. The darkest it will go will be after 10 hours. If you're more of a beginner, maybe go for the gradual tan. And then if you're like me and you're more of a seasoned vet when it comes to tanning, try out the Develop one. So I'm going to show you guys how I use these products, and I'm going to go about my day wearing a white t-shirt, and I'm going to show you guys that it doesn't transfer. You don't have to worry about it. You know, you could use this on your wedding day, in the morning of your wedding day, and put your wedding dress on top and you will be fine. You'll be set, you'll be dandy. So here are my tips on how to get the perfect fake tan. Step 1. You need to make sure you've got rid of all of the crusty skin and all of the fake tan from your previous session. If you're someone like me, I fake tan back to back to back. So I'm constantly in a cycle of fake tan. And it gets to the point at the 1 week mark where you start to look a little bit like tiger bread. We all know. That is when you need to remove it and you're ready for your next session. I believe it was last year that St.Moriz launched this product, and I use it all the time. It's honestly such a lifesaver. It is the self-tan remover. You just apply it over your skin, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then you can wash or exfoliate away all of the fake tan. It is so effective. It comes off so easily and it saves so much time, so much scrubbing. I do not like to scrub at my skin. I just want it to come off easily, and this does that. And then once you've got rid of all your crusty fake tan, you want to exfoliate. I use the St.Moriz Skin Exfoliating Primer. This stuff is incredible. Again, it's just a super gentle exfoliator. Just exfoliate over your skin, especially your knees, your elbows, you know, the ankles, all of those places where dry skin tends to build up and can make your fake tan go a little bit patchy. So you want to make sure you scrub away and get those areas super smooth. Obviously then shave if you need to, and just make sure you've got a blank canvas. I usually try and do all of these steps the night before. If I have a nighttime bath or a nighttime shower, I'll prep my skin, and then the following morning, once my skin's had time to absorb everything and relax, and you know, if you get any shaving you get any shaving bumps or anything like that, it's got a little bit of time to chill out before you go straight in with your fake tan. The night before, you also want to make sure you really moisturize your skin to get the best effect and the best look possible from your fake tan. So St.Moriz has their oil-free moisturizer. Oil-free is extremely important because it won't react with the Fake tan, it won't make it go patchy, it won't stop it from adhering to your skin, which oils can do. Preps and maintains, it's moisturizing, it prolongs your tan, and it contains aloe vera, so it's very soothing. So again, if you get razor bumps or something like that, this can help soothe that too. So you just want to apply this again all over your body, so you are looking really pale and glistening. Once you're looking like a pale little naked mole rat, you can go to bed, let all of that sink in. Sometimes I'll fake tan in the evening, especially with these products, because they won't get on your bed sheets, which is amazing. When I use, you know, a color guide fake tan, it often does get on my pillow and stuff like that, which is annoying, and Tim doesn't like me to stay around his house when I fake tan, which is rude. But now you don't have to ruin your boyfriend's bed sheets. Then you wake up the following morning, you feel fresh, you feel smooth, you feel hydrated, and you are ready to apply your fake tan. I will always recommend that you guys use a mitt, because you don't want your hands to go orange. Even though this doesn't have a guide color, it will develop on the palms of your hands, so make sure you still use a mitt. Make sure you work in kind of regular sections, because again, there's no guide color, so if you're not careful, you might miss out a patch. So just make sure you do it in a uniform, you know, work your way up or work your way down or work your way across, whatever part of your body you are doing. Just make sure you keep note of where you've already applied the tan, so that you don't, you know, miss areas out. Say you've got a big event in the evening and you want to make sure that you are ready and glowing, but you've got to go to work. You can apply this like 8 a.m, 9 a.m, let it develop over the 10 hours, and then by the time you are ready to start getting ready at 7 p.m, or whenever you need to get ready, your fake tan has completely developed and it is the darkest it's going to get. I'm actually due a tan top up. I'm actually going to film all the cutaway clips tomorrow. I'm going to leave you guys in the hands of tomorrow Emma, who is now going to document the day and show how the tan develops, and also make sure that it's not getting on my white t-shirt. Over to you, Emma of the future.
Hello, I've put on my white t-shirt. No stains so far. I'm gonna keep this on for 10 hours and we'll see. Can I also say this tan, it doesn't smell bad at all. It doesn't smell like fake tan. It just smells like moisturizer. Like, I feel like if I hugged someone, they probably wouldn't know whether it was fake tan or just a moisturizer. It's really not bad. Once it dries down, it doesn't feel sticky, and I'm gonna go about my normal day, and I'll check in kind of every few hours maybe. So I'll probably see you at around lunchtime, so see ya. Hi, 6 hours later. Here's how we're looking. Zero transfer. And I am looking bronzed. We're halfway through the development time. My face still has quite a way to go. It's just so good. I love the tone of it. Good times. I want it to develop though, because you can't sweat for 10 hours and I really want to work out. Who am I? The turn is coming. Okay everybody, it's been 10 hours since I applied my fake tan, and hopefully you can see the difference. The main thing that I like compared to other fake tans is how moisturizing this is. Let me strip. Can you see how hydrated my skin still looks? It's so nice, and I've just got such a nice glow, a lovely amount of color. I just love it. It looks so natural. So yeah, I love it. This is what I've been using. It's so easy. Just do it in the morning and then you don't have to worry about it. So yeah, I really hope you guys found this interesting. I hope it answered a lot of your questions for people who keep asking me like what fake tan I wear. This is the fake tan that I've been wearing now for quite a while. I was testing it out.
So that is it. Those are all of the products that I use to get the perfect, even streak-free fake tan. They're really affordable products. I've used St.Moriz for honestly like 8 years. I've been such a loyal customer, and I know that a lot of you guys love them as well. I'm sure you'll be pleased to know that the fake tan I use is actually really affordable. The gradual mousse is available exclusively at Superdrug. However, the Develop mousse is available at Superdrug, Asda, and also Outfit. I often find that fake tans make my skin look dry, but this keeps your skin looking glowing and like an actual tan. Like when you have a little bit of a sheen, you look moisturized and lush basically, and it feels nice to pamper yourself. I actually had an interview recently, and one of the questions was, what do you do to make yourself feel more confident? And the first thing I thought of was fake tan. For me, when my skin is looking glowy, I feel like my makeup looks nicer, my skin just looks healthier. It does just overall make me feel more confident. So yeah, that is it. Have you guys ever tried St.Moriz? let me know down below. And if you haven't, are you now interested in trying their products? If you are, I've linked them all down below for you so that you can check them out. Thank you so much to St.Moriz for working with me on this video. It's a really exciting partnership for me, and like 13-year-old Emma would be screaming right now. Do make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!